Hello, everyone. This week we will be talking about how we can use counts to say the rhythms. Last week we talked about using syllables such as ta, ah, ah for a whole note, like t, 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 t for eighth notes. So you have a combination of like ta, ti, ti, tiki, tiki, ta, tiki, tiki, ta, things like that. This week we will be, instead of using those syllables, we'll be doing the same thing but with counts. So counts are what you actually would physically count using numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're still going to have a total of 4, but you will see how we're going to divide each of those beats sometimes, depending on what the note length is. So as last week, I went over the using syllables. I did the same exact thing for using counts. So now a whole note, instead of just getting 4 ta-ahs, right? Or ta-ah-ah-ahs. In this case, you would just use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you're counting a whole note, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, with the clap kind of coinciding with the number. In this case, I was also clapping the same counts that I was saying. If you were clapping the rhythm, which is what I will ask you to do for this assignment, you'll go 1, 2, 3, 4 for a whole note. You will not have any whole notes in this assignment, but if you did, that is how you would count them. For a half note, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So in line 2 over here, you will see that there is, each of the whole notes gets 2 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter notes only get 1 count each. So you'll see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The quarter note gets 1 beat. So if, for example, you had a quarter note, then you had a half note in the middle, and then a quarter note here, this third line would go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's that. Eighth notes get half a count each. The plus signifies and. I will actually, let me write that in. And. The one, the plus sounds like an and. Plus is in there. So center this a little better. Maybe I'll put it on the side. Okay. So the plus is an and. Oh, these spaces are so weird. Okay. The plus is an and. So it's 1 and, if you're just clapping the beat, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, if you're clapping the actual rhythm. So the rhythm that's written is all eighth notes, is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So you can have something like, if we do alternating quarter note, we do a quarter note, 2 eighth notes, quarter note, 2 eighth notes. It would be 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and. In 16th notes, same kind of idea, but you're breaking it down even further. So you can see that 1 and are every other note, right? 1 and 2 and, but now you have something in between them, which is the E and the ah. So it's 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. So some examples. Here in this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3 E and 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Again, if it's 1, you're only clapping you're clapping at the beginning of each note. So you're clapping 1, 2, 3, 4, but you're saying all the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, E and the 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. That will be your assignment for this week. It will be the same rhythms, but in this case, your assignment is to record 2 of the 5 advanced. It's the rhythm 2 option selection. So you'll have to pick any 2 of those, and you will be clapping the actual rhythm. You're not clapping just the beat like you did last time. You're clapping the rhythm while saying the rhythm. So 1, 2, 4 half. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 2 and 3, 4. And you can do it at any speed that you want.